Good morning. It is Sunday, June 13th. Just got out of church. We had a message on just the beliefs and values of the church, which we do semi-regularly. I'm now going to head over to Mom's, probably get a bite to eat there, spend a little time with them, and then figure out what to do with my day. I do not know. It's Steak and Shake.
Thank you, Lord, for this lunch and for Kyle coming to help and just to be together for a little bit.
Just got home. Spent a little time with family. Kyle's over at Mom's doing work, so I didn't want to get in their way too much. But nice to see him while we had a bite to eat, and I got information on my brother's character and his backstory, and at least a little basic from him that he knows on Ethan's backstory. They're doing some fun stuff. It'll be fun. But that'll be enough to finish preparing what I need for family D&D, which, as of this point, we're looking at probably doing, starting less than a month from now. I think like 3rd of July is I think what we're aiming for. So awesome, I got that. Otherwise, I'm home now. Don't think I'm going to be filming anything else. Though I got lots to edit. I got minis to put away, which means cataloging. I need to read my Bible, because I have plans with John later this week to go do another one of our little Bible study gatherings. Also, I need to change. I don't know if you guys have been able to tell, but I think the camera just kind of makes it look solid. But this light has been flickering for a month. Well, at Mom's, I picked up a new bulb. I'm gonna get that swapped out. The reason it's been going on so long is because I'm like, I need to get a trip to IKEA to get another bulb. They're IKEA bulbs. Eventually I was like, wait a minute. It's just a light bulb. I could put any light bulb in that. So she has a big box of them. I'm like, I just told her, you got a light bulb that doesn't flicker? And she's like, why would it flicker? I'm like, I don't know. But it does for me. So I got my Bible reading done. And I did switch out this light bulb, which is a different color than those other two lights. And that bothers me. But it doesn't give me a headache. And the flickering one was. So I think now I'm going to do some, not all. So I got 5, I think, doorknobs. I'm going to do some doorknobs. Starting probably with this one. Because it just turns. And eventually, oh, did it catch? There we go, it catches. Because it's not all connected. So I'm gonna get that off and get it replaced. Also, this one. This is a good one to do. This one, I mean, it turns, but that doesn't do anything because there's nothing here. It just kind of sits. It doesn't actually latch closed because part of that one is missing. Yeah, again, doorknobs have been on the list of to replace since I moved in here. I got some that were cheap from a resale shop that Mom found. Hopefully they work. But I'll get those, start getting those replaced. And that was actually easier than I expected. Good. So now it no longer falls apart. There is another plate to switch that out with. I guess I can do that. But it didn't have the right screws with it, or if it did, it's wanting me to use these incredibly long ones. And there just feels like maybe there's a few extra parts in this little thing, so I think I'm gonna keep putting others on slowly, and then see if maybe there's parts that got swapped between the different sets. And I actually did end up doing all of them. So all the doorknobs are replaced. Now I didn't do any of these, and I think they probably do just use the long screws, which is probably making sure that this is secure, that someone can't just hit against the door and it'll break the wood frame. So that makes sense, I guess. Yeah, so I'll do those another day. I just have those sitting off over there. But that's some form of progress. Almost no editing. I did very well yesterday to get a lot done. Today I more or less just lazed around, breaking that up with, no, I can't just be lazy, getting up and doing another, so just ended up doing the doors. Gee, I can make food. Yeah, I can make pasta, or I can do like a cheeseburger, or I could have more buffalo chicken dip. I'm gonna have more buffalo chicken dip while I's got it, because it's good. And also, to some extent, I need to get through this quickly so I can make another batch, which requires me to wash the dish that I haven't made in with the chicken I have. And with how giant that chicken was, if I do it fast enough, I might be able to make another batch. Or I may just decide to heat up part of it and just have chicken one day, but who knows. It's getting late. It doesn't feel like it because it's still light out, but like an hour and a half until bedtime. So I'm gonna have some dinner and just keep relaxing. Be ready to move on to the work week ahead. Thank you for joining me, and joining me as my journey continues. Bye.